Let's practice conjugating ir in Spanish. Translate sentence in 4 seconds before you see the answer.
I went to the park with my friends.
Yo fui al parque con mis amigos.
You went to the movies yesterday.
Tú fuiste al cine ayer.
He went to work early.
Él fue a trabajar temprano.
We went to the beach last summer.
Nosotros fuimos a la playa el verano pasado.
You all went to the party on Saturday.
Vosotros fuisteis a la fiesta el sábado.
They went shopping over the weekend.
Ellos fueron de compras el fin de semana.
I'm going to the supermarket now.
Yo voy al supermercado ahora.
You go to school every day.
Tú vas a la escuela todos los días.
He goes to the gym in the morning.
Él va al gimnasio por la mañana.
We are going to the restaurant tonight.
Nosotros vamos al restaurante esta noche.
You all go to the market on Wednesdays.
Vosotros vais al mercado los miércoles.
They go to school together.
Ellos van al colegio juntos.
I will go to visit my grandmother tomorrow.
Yo iré a visitar a mi abuela mañana.
You will go on vacation next month.
Tú irás de vacaciones el próximo mes.
He will go to the meeting in the afternoon.
Él irá a la reunión en la tarde.
We will go to the concert on Saturday.
Nosotros iremos al concierto el sábado.
You all will go to the museum next weekend.
Vosotros iréis al museo el próximo fin de semana.
They will go to the wedding next year.
Ellos irán a la boda el año que viene.
Maria went to the doctor yesterday.
María fue al médico ayer.
Carlos went to the bookstore to buy a book.
Carlos fue a la librería a comprar un libro.
My friends and I went to the stadium to watch the game. Mis amigos y yo fuimos al estadio para ver el partido.
My parents went to dine at a nice restaurant.
Mis padres fueron a cenar a un buen restaurante.
Anna goes to the park every morning.
Ana va al parque cada mañana.
My friends go to the same university as I do.
Mis amigos van a la misma universidad que yo.
My sister and I go to the pool in summer.
Mi hermana y yo vamos a la piscina en verano.
My grandparents go to church every Sunday.
Mis abuelos van a la iglesia todos los domingos.
Tomorrow I will go to the bank to take care of some business.
Mañana yo iré al banco a hacer un trámite.
My family and I will go to the mountain in winter.
Mi familia y yo iremos a la montaña en invierno.
The kids will go to summer camp next July.
Los niños irán al campamento de verano el próximo julio.
You will go to the store to buy bread.
Tú irás a la tienda a comprar pan.
I went to the market yesterday.
Fui al mercado ayer.
You went to the movies last week.
Fuiste al cine la semana pasada.
She went to the beach last summer.
Fue a la playa el verano pasado.
We went to the park 2 days ago.
Fuimos al parque hace 2 días.
You, plural and formal, went to the party last night.
Fuisteis a la fiesta anoche.
They went to the mountain last month.
Fueron a la montaña el mes pasado.
I am going to the supermarket today.
Voy al supermercado hoy.
You go to school every day.
Vas a la escuela todos los días.
She goes to work by bus.
Va al trabajo en autobús.
We go home after class.
Vamos a casa después de la clase.
You all go to the gym in the afternoon.
Vais al gimnasio por la tarde.
They go to the restaurant every weekend.
Van al restaurante cada fin de semana.
I will go to the library tomorrow.
Iré a la biblioteca mañana.
You will go to the doctor next week.
Irás al doctor la próxima semana.
She will go to the concert on Friday.
Irá al concierto el viernes.
We will go to the museum next month.
Iremos al museo el próximo mes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe so you won't miss new video. See you in the next one.